Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa and this is Annie's Caring Crochet Kit Club for July. I had to think, I apologize, I thought it was August for a minute because I was just doing everything for August. Okay, that being said, this is Annie's for July. The Caring Club is available on their website. I will have a link down below. If I don't forget again, I will do my best. It is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to join the club, I do get a little something from the company. It does not affect your price in any way, shape, or form. This is a $16.99 a month club in the United States with $4.99 shipping, and you get everything you need to make the monthly kit. You also get an address to send a product to when you're complete if you want to share the product with the people they have in line for this. Every month they have a different group that they send them to. Sometimes it's veterans, sometimes it's children. I haven't seen who this is this week. Honestly, I haven't finished any of these because I am bogged down with other things in life. So this month we have this beautiful, I don't know technical word for it, bubbly, like it looks like sheep's wool, doesn't it? It kind of looks like a sheep to me. It's the same color as a sheep. And it's roving because you got the thick one over here and then you got a thin one. See how it's roving, and it's really soft. Okay, so the stats on this, let's see what we have here. It's a heavy little thing. It says cool machine wash. Oh yay, I don't hand wash. Tumble dry, low heat. Right now it's hot enough outside, it'd be done in 5 minutes. Save your electricity. And no dry cleaning, and do not bleach, and no ironing. Okay, so see, it says the Caring Crochet Kit Club. They also have just a crochet club. They have a knitting club. They have a sock club. They have so many different clubs, I cannot name them all. I have tried the Christmas Ornament Club. I know if you look back on my channel, you'll see one. But that was the only one that came with the value worth in the kit. Other one, because I've made paper crafts, and I was very disappointed. If you want to see a review on that, I could do that for you. Just leave a comment below, and I'll explain why I found it not worth the money. This is 80% acrylic and 20% nylon, and it's a 6 ounce. Wow, really? 6 ounce of, it feels dense to me. 270 yards. It's a bulky 5. This kit club I find is worth the money because you're getting everything you need. In the kit today, we got 2 of these big skeins of 270 yards in the bag, and we got the instructions. This was what we'll make it. Well, you'll probably order the club, get the kit, and get it made before I will at the rate that I'm going. I'm sort of at a crochet block of thick walls. And this is the beautiful blanket. I apologize if that wind is in the thing, but as you know, it's hot. We do not have air conditioning. This is going to Kindred Hospice if you send it. You do not have to send it. You are not obligated in any shape, way, or form to send it. If you like the blanket when you're done, you can keep it. You can do what you want with it. You can get, you know, just like any other thing that you make. And this is quite a pretty blanket. I would hope I would get it done in a timely manner. It's more probably of a throw. Yeah, lapcan. Read, Teresa, read. And you get all the instructions. I don't know, I got 2 of those paper with no instructions. Let's see. No, look at that. There's no instructions. Wait. I got it. No kidding, get it open. Real life, right? Okay, so this comes with, oh, it's easy. I could do this one if I find time. It is approximately 38 inches by 40. Though that is a really good size for a lapcan. You need to have your own scissors, your own hook of your choice, NP or 10 millimeter hook, or to obtain gauge. I never check gauge. I just go for it. Probably why my stuff doesn't turn out great. Tapestry needle. Here's your abbreviations for the kit. Here's some of the instructions. I can't go any further than that. And it's pattern notes. It has your gauge guide. It has your finish size. Normally, if you had more than one color, it would tell you how many colors of what kit you have in here. Again, this is Annie's Attic Caring Club of the Month. There it is. It's the lap band, and they're sponsoring this month. They are sponsoring the Kindred Hospice. I do not know anything about Kindred Hospice, but I'm sure it's a good group. I would look it up before I sent anything there. Not that I would care, you know, if they're sponsoring it, I'm sure it's fine. I just like to know who I'm helping and that kind of thing. Because I'm just that way. I like to like put a little note in it, maybe, you know, it depends on what it is. Like if it's for children, I won't put a note because that'd be kind of creepy. But senior citizens, they might like a little note, you know? And this is so pretty. Well, I can hear the birds chirping in the background, so they're not dying of the heat. And it is starting to cool down. I say that with hopeful voice that it will rain tonight and it will finally stay cool. And I hope where you are, you're cool, either in your air conditioning or however you could stay cool, and you stay healthy and hydrated. And I thank you for stopping by my channel, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. I will be putting out a few videos this week. I am behind schedule, and I do apologize for that. And if you have not subscribed, please think of doing so. If you have subscribed and you're coming back to see more of my antics, I appreciate that so much. And please like, share if you don't mind. And have a great day. And I'll see you on the YouTube streets.